Hello, everybody, and thank you for being with me. Thank you for all the supporters who keep coming out. I love you guys so much. Gold is making dreams come true for a lot of people, and it's also breaking a lot of hearts. So, I wanted to make sure I made a video going over my new strategy for trading gold because it's a game changer and it's a once in a lifetime opportunity for Forex traders and commodity traders to make some massive profits. We haven't seen moves like this in gold ever before. So it's an amazing opportunity. All right. And gold is predicted to hit $3,000 in a few months. So if you get in now and you start trading it, you can have some amazing profits. All right. So in this video, I am going to be sharing tips and resources you guys can use that will increase your accuracy with trading gold. Let's go. Okay, so the first resource I want to share with you guys is going to be markets.ft.com. This is a Financial Times website, and they are very helpful for tracking gold. So COMEX is what you really need to understand because every day at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is when the gold contracts settle. So if the gold contracts settle higher, that is usually a sign that gold will continue rising. If the COMEX gold contracts settle lower, that is usually a good sign that the gold will, or the price of gold will continue dropping. So I really love this website because it's very helpful, and they also have additional resources that can help you understand why gold is moving the way it is. But this is a very good visual, and we can already see that the change in gold is going down. So when the market opens up on Sunday, this is going to be a very good time to sell gold. And I will show you guys on the charts what this looks like. Okay, guys. So this right here is my trading view. And this is what I use most of the time. I have three different setups that I use when it comes to how I analyze markets, whether it's commodities or Forex. I have three different setups, but this right here is the main setup that I use for trading gold. And I want to show you guys the correlation between gold and COMEX, just so you guys can have confidence in trading this. So this right here is very important to have if you are trading gold. You can track gold futures, COMEX, right here on TradingView. So you don't have to use the website that I showed you earlier, but this is very helpful. Okay, so if I want to add a currency pair to compare to, I can click this right here, and then I'm going to choose XAU USD, which is gold. And I want to show you guys just how powerful this correlation is. So you can see gold follows exactly what COMEX does. So if you understand how the COMEX exchange works, then you're going to have a very good idea as to what gold is going to do next. Now, I already showed you guys that the gold COMEX contracts settled lower. So that's going to be very helpful in understanding that gold is most likely going to drop. And we can see this on the chart as well. COMEX had hit some resistance all the way up here, and then it started to drop. So when we go to the gold chart, and we can see this is very clear. This is very easy for us to understand. So this resistance on gold is most likely going to hold, and even this resistance right here is going to hold as well. So when the market opens up on Sunday, this right here is most likely where I'm going to have my stop loss, and I'm going to be making shorts. Now, the same thing is the opposite. If I see the COMEX gold contracts settling higher, then that's also a very good sign that gold is going to keep going up. Now, I did share the full strategy inside my private group on my Facebook group because my group is on Facebook. So for anyone who wants to join my coaching program, the link is above right here, and then you can request access to join my group. So for those of you who are members in my group and have not seen the post yet, make sure you guys check it out because I explained the strategy in full detail so that you guys can know just how effective my strategy to trading gold is. And just like in the screenshots before, last week I had 100% accuracy with trading gold. So it's very effective what I'm using to do this. All right. Um, so that's pretty much all I want to do in this video. Is just give you guys these resources and then combine that with my full strategy on trading gold. And I'm pretty confident you guys are going to have some amazing results in trading gold. And this can honestly, change your life because we haven't seen moves like this. Gold getting above 20 or 2,800 is mind blowing. And the fact that the predictions are pretty solid that it's going to reach $3,000 in just a few months, especially with all the volatility that's happening in the markets and all the changes that's happening with the US economy and the tariffs. I mean, there's just so much that's happening right now that's affecting all of our money. And if you position yourself correctly, you should be making a minimum of $1,000 a day, $5,000 a day if your account is big enough. And I promise you, if you start moving those profits into crypto like Bitcoin, my personal favorite, Litecoin, and even SHIB, I think you're going to do very well and you're going to hedge against inflation. So, so many people are complaining about inflation. And I try and tell people the best way to hedge against inflation is to start moving your money into crypto. Start buying Bitcoin and spending Bitcoin as you would cash. Coinbase provides you with a debit card that you can use to spend crypto anywhere, just like you would a credit card or debit card. So, this is some powerful stuff, guys. And this information is going to be even more important to understand as we get further into 2025 and more changes keep on happening. All right. Thank you, everyone, for supporting my channel. Thank you for sticking with me. It's been a very busy year. My hedge fund is now over $200,000, and things is growing fast in my Forex business. And I appreciate all of you for being part of it. And I just want to help everyone make as much money as possible. So, hang in there, stick with me, and this should be a very good year for many of us. All right. Thanks, everyone, and you guys have a great day.